speed, better speed also. Okay, yes, Sneha, you can start.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, everybody. Today, I would like to present about a difference between modernism and postmodernism. So, first of all, what is modernism? Modernism is a literary and cultural international movement which flourished in the first decade of the 20th century. Modernism is not a term to which single meaning can be ascribed. It may be applied both of the content and to the form of a work or to either in isolation. Modernism is a comprehensive movement which began in the closing years of the 19th century and has had a wide influence internationally during much of the 20th century. What is postmodernism? Postmodernism is a term which was not existed earlier, but with the passing of time, including the gradual growth of modernism, it climbed into existence and got establishment as a mother term. Separated from modernism, the term postmodernism is often applied to the literature and after World War II. Postmodernism provided the best reference like Dick Hebage, George Herbert, Terry Eagleton and Christopher Norris have rallied against the turn towards the postmodernism. Uh, Here is the quote by Jean-Francois Lyotard. A work can become modern only if it is a postmodern. Postmodernism, thus understood, is not modernism yet. It's and but in the nascent state, and this state is a constant. Here is the characteristic of modernism: refusal of coherent meaning, rejection of realism, subjectivity, split temporalities, unstable identity, idiosyncratic language, metafiction, experimental forms, split identities, focus on interiority, unreliable narrator. Characteristic of postmodernism: ambivalent stance of towards realism, split temporalities, ironic narrator, metafiction, fragmentation, multiple points of view, focus on exteriority, pastiche, irony, black humor, intertextuality. Modernism versus postmodernism. In modernism, is a school of thought that took place in the late 18th century and early 19th century. Whereas postmodernism is a school of thought that took place after World War II. Here, modernism advocate rational thinking and the use of science and reason for the advancement of man, whereas the postmodernism believed in the irrationality of things. Modernist era was characterized by the simple and elegant original works of gifted artists, whereas the postmodernist era was characterized by the advancement in a technology and its use in a different media. Modernists believed in a universal truth, whereas the postmodernist did not believe in a universal truth. In a modernism, modernists were not political, whereas the postmodernism, postmodernists were very political. In a modernism, they focus on the writer, and in a postmodernism, they focus on a reader. In this, we find that unreliable narrator, and where the in a postmodernism we find ironical narrator. In the modernism, they focus on rejection of realism, and whereas the postmodernism we find ambivalence towards realism. In modernism, literature is self-contained, and whereas the postmodernism literature is open and intertextual. In modernism, we find that hybrid genres, and in the postmodernism, think of high and low genres. In modernism, we find a rejection of literary convention, where there is in a postmodernism parody of literary conventions. In a modernism, we find idiosyncratic language, and whereas the postmodernism we find simple language. In the modernism, emerged around the time of the second industrial revolution, which was marked by the decline of stable social classes, the beginning of professionalism, and a sense of urban elitation. Whereas the postmodernism generally refer to cultural phenomena with certain characteristics that emerged after the Second World War, when exactly postmodernism starts very according to national context and individual critics. Conclusion. In sum up, we can say that some believe that postmodernism was a response to has considered them as a two aspects of the same movement. And further we see some major difference between modernism and postmodernism. This distinction makes clear the basic difference in a ways of thinking that led to this movement. The difference between modernism and postmodernism in literature depends on their themes and literary and narrative techniques. Here is my references. Thank you. Sir, unmute your mic.
Yeah, who is going to ask questions to her?
Yes, sir. May I?
Sir, me.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so Sneha, can you tell me what makes modernism unique?
Yes, Rithi. One thing is that modernist fiction spoke of the inner self and consciousness. Instead of progress, the modernist writer saw a decline of civilization.
Thank you.
What is the goal of postmodernism?
There is one goal is that as a philosophy, postmodernism is reject a concept of rationality and universal truth. Instead, they emphasize on the diversity of human experience and multiplicity of perspectives. Thank you.